Hello dear students, in this lecture we will talk about Beer-Lambert law, that is the absorption spectroscopy. As we know, the study of a spectrum generated by the absorption of electromagnetic radiation by molecule, we call that absorption spectroscopy. Now we have a sample solution of length L, and if I naught is the intensity of incident light and IT is the transmitted light. Now, in order to observe the conclusions of Beer and Lambert, they take a section of this sample cell of length dl. Through this dl, if I is the intensity of light incident on it and I minus di is the light transmitted, where di is the amount of intensity decreased or attenuated during absorption of radiation by sample section dl. Beer and Lambert reached empirically to the conclusion that decrease or attenuation in intensity of radiation during absorption is proportional to three things. Number one is incident intensity, that is I, molar concentration of sample solution, that is C, and path length of sample, that is L. So we can write minus di is proportional to Ci into dl. Negative sign indicates attenuation or a decrease of intensity of light during absorption. Or we can say minus di will be equal to A into C into I into dl. Keeping I on the same side, we have minus di by I will be equal to AC into dl. Let's keep this equation as first, where A is a constant of proportionality called absorptivity. This absorptivity is the measure of absorption of radiation per unit time, per unit concentration, and per unit optical path length. This absorptivity depends on frequency or wavelength of radiation absorbed. Now, from this absorption of radiation, it's expected that we will get a single line in spectra, that is, but actually there is a finite width of a spectral line. This finite width of a spectral line is called as natural line width as shown. Now let's integrate equation first. On both sides we get integral of di by I from limits I naught to IT, because I naught is the intensity of incident radiation and IT is the light transmitted. That's equal to AC integral of 0 to L into dl. Now, removing negative sign, we get integral of di by I from IT to I naught. That's equal to AC integral 0 to L dl. So, it will be equal to ln of I naught by IT, that is AC into L, because integration of di by I is equal to ln of I. So, once you apply the limits, it will be ln of I naught by IT, that's AC into L. Now, converting ln to log to the base 10, we have to multiply 2.303. So, we get 2.303 log of I naught by IT will be equal to AC into L, or log of I naught by IT will be equal to A by 2.303 into C into L, or capital A will be equal to epsilon C into L. This equation is called as Beer-Lambert law, while capital A is equal to log of I naught by IT. That's also equal to minus log of T, because T is equal to IT by I naught. A is the absorbance of radiation and T is the transmittance, and epsilon is equal to A by 2.303, which is called as molar absorption coefficient or extinction coefficient. This epsilon is a measure of extent of absorption. More the value of epsilon, more will be the extent of absorption, and high will be the intensity of signal, and vice versa. Now, this Beer-Lambert law reasonably holds for dilute solutions. This is because if absorption is kept as 1, then transmittance, as calculated by the expression A is equal to minus log of T, comes out to be 0.1. Therefore, percent transmittance will be equal to 10%, meaning that only 10% of light passes through, indicating 90% absorption. If A is equal to 5, that is absorbance is equal to 5, then percentage transmittance will be equal to 10 to power minus 3, meaning that sample is almost opaque to light. Such a high absorbances makes signal to noise ratio very small, meaning that signal will be small and noise takes over, which makes the spectrum noisy. This is the reason measurement of absorption spectroscopy is done at sufficiently low absorbances, that's approximately equal to 0.1, which is possible only for dilute solutions or taking a shorter path length. I hope you understand it. This was all about Beer-Lambert law. If you like my videos, please do not hesitate to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. DHC.